Hi, Puppies, and welcome to the channel Tanya's Polyglot. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the usage of wish and if only. If you want to know how to use them, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So you must be wondering for what are wish and if only used, and the answer is simple. Wish and if only are used to express regret, desires, or hypothetical situations. Both are similar in meaning, but if only is stronger and more emphatic than wish. So now let's see some common uses of wish and if only. We have A, expressing present regrets or unreal situations. We have the structure that is wish and if only plus the past participle, the past simple, sorry, is used to express a desire for something that is not true or not happening now. For example, using wish, I wish I had more time, but I don't have it, right? If I knew how to cook, but I don't know. If you see here, we are expressing regrets or unreal situations. We will use wish maybe for unreal situations, right? And if only for regrets. But let's see more. Then we have B, expressing past regrets. The structure wish or if only plus the past perfect. Used to talk about things you regret or wish had been different in the past. For example, I wish I had studied harder, but I didn't. If I only I hadn't missed the train. This shows only past regrets. Even if you use wish or if only, we will express regrets in both. Then we have literal C, expressing future desires. This is less common. We have the structure wish or if only plus would. Used to express frustration or hope that someone or something will change in the future. And we have here some examples. I wish you would call me more often. If I only, it will stop raining. Oh, if only it will stop raining here. So as you see here, we express future desires and we will use would to express future desires. It's less common but useful. So now guys, let's see some key differences between wish and if only. Wish is more neutral and commonly used in daily conversations. If only is stronger and emphasize emotions like regret, frustration, or hope. And we have here some examples. I wish I were taller. As you see here, this is a neutral statement. Then we have if only I were taller, this is a stronger emotion. Then we have here examples for different scenarios. A scenario, present regret, past regret, future hope or frustration. Wish, example, I wish I could speak French. I wish I had gone to the party. I wish they would arrive on time. And then we have if only examples. If only I could speak French. If only I had gone to the party. If only they will arrive on time. If you see here, the only thing that may be changed is wish or if only, but they have some differences between them, but both of them are useful. So now we have here some examples. By categories, I could say we have A, expressing present regrets on real situations using wish. I wish I were taller, but I'm not taller. I wish I had more free time, but I don't have it. I wish it were summer, but it's not. I wish I knew the answer, but I don't know. If you see here, we use wish for unreal situations, or maybe for the things that we wish that they will be different. Then we have with if only. If only I were more confident. If only I had a car to get to work. If only today wasn't Monday. If only I could sing better. If you see here, we use both of them for regrets, for unreal situations, and so on. The other category is expressing past regrets with wish. I wish I had studied for the test, but I didn't. I wish I had eaten so much, but I did. Hadn't eaten, sorry. I wish I had told her how I felt, but I didn't. I wish I had taken that job opportunity, but I didn't. We have expressing past regrets with if only. If only I had arrived earlier. If only I hadn't forgotten my keys. If only I had called you before leaving. If only we had saved more money last year. In the other category, we have expressing future desires or frustration with wish. I wish you would help me with the dishes. I wish they would stop talking so loudly. I wish it would stop raining soon. I wish my boss would give me a raise. Then we have expressing future desires or frustrations, but using if only. If only you will listen to me. If only it will snow on Christmas Day. If only they will answer my email quickly. If only the train will arrive on time. So now, guys, I decided like to picture out using wish and if only some examples for you to see how to introduce them in a I don't know like basic or casual conversation. For example, the girl says, "I wish I had remembered to bring my umbrella. It's raining so much." She is regretting that she didn't took an umbrella and it's raining now. And the other girl says, "Yeah, and I wish the bus will arrive soon. I'm freezing." Then she says, "If only we had checked the weather before leaving home. If only we could teleport home right now." They are regretting and wishing many things in the same examples or in the same situation or in the same scenario, right? Because she's regretting that she didn't bring her umbrella, and the other girl is wishing something impossible, like teleport herself to home. We already know that that's not possible, but maybe in the near future will be. So, past regrets and desires. You will use I wish and if only. So now, guys, after all the information that I give you about how to use wish and if only, it's time to make an activity time. Don't be afraid and prepare those beautiful fingers to write down below in the comments your answers. And the exercise says complete the sentences with the correct form of wish or if only. I wish I have more money to travel. If only she studied harder last semester, they wish it not rain today. If only you listen to my advice. So, guys, if you think that this exercise is easy or complicated, please prepare these beautiful fingers and write it down below in the comments. And if you already know the answers, please leave them in the comment section and I'll be checking them for you. So, thank you guys. Don't forget to give a like and hit the bell button and subscribe. And of course, don't forget to leave your comments. See you in the next lesson.